Well, good afternoon, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this April the 21st, 2023. Hope everybody's having a great Friday out there so far. Hope everybody continues to stay safe and well. And hope everybody enjoys the weather because it's the only weather you got. Okay. In today's video, we're going to discuss the GFS forecast model run for the next, I might run it out for the next 7 days to let everybody see what's going to happen over the next 7, maybe to 10 days. Also, we're going to take a look at the weather radar across the nation. Also, your watches, warning, and advisory for your locations. Also, the Storm Prediction Center outlook for today, Saturday, and a little bit for Sunday. Okay, if you're a new viewer, have not subscribed to my channel yet, consider subscribing. Love to have you. Press that subscribe button and you're in. That's all it takes. Just smash the subscribe button and you're in. Like these videos and share these videos, and let's go ahead and get the show on the road. Alright, we're looking at the GFS model run here. As you can see, we got a 1004 millibar low pressure system located over southern northern Wisconsin and southern Canada, producing snow in Canada through the Ohio Valley, Tennessee Valley, back down into the south, into the Gulf of Mexico. So you guys over in the Bahamas getting a little bit of rain shower activity, and off in the coastal waters there, got a little system there. Also, we got snow and rain showers in the Pacific Northwest. Alright, let's continue to go forward with the GFS. This is, I'm going to back it up here. This is at 8 a.m. Saturday morning. We've got a 10,004 low pressure system located over a portion of eastern Ohio and western Pennsylvania. Still got that trailing cold front down to the Alabama region. Got a little warm front stretching through the Carolinas. Got a little system over Florida and a little system down in the Gulf. Still got some snow flying over Minnesota, back in the Utah and also Idaho as well, and also Wyoming area as well. Another little system will come in on the Pacific Northwest later on in the forecast period. Okay, as we continue to march forward, I'm going to stop it at 2 a.m. Sunday morning. As we can see here, we got a 997 millibar low pressure located over southern Canada, near Toronto and Montreal, Canada. I got snow on the backside, got rain on the north, and all the way stretching all the way down offshore, down to the east coast of Florida. We got a little system down here, a 1001 millibar low pressure system down in the Gulf, in the area of Mexico, producing some shower and maybe some thunderstorm activity over Mexico and also into portions of Texas and Oklahoma. Still got some snow and rain shower flying over here and falling as well in Colorado and portions of Wyoming. And there's that system still offshore, has not made it onto this northwest shore yet as we speak. Okay, let's continue this thing out to the 24th. This is at 2 a.m. on the 24th. This is Monday morning. We still have some rain and snow showers over the northeastern U.S. Still got rain showers over Alabama back to a portion of Louisiana, and also into Texas as our next system develops, and this will affect the city. We still got rain and mixture of snow showers extending from near Utah and also back over to Nevada, back up into Washington State as well. So let's go ahead and run this on out to, this is I'm gonna run it out to 2 p.m. Tuesday, April 25th. As you can see, there's that little system developing right here, bringing a lot of rain from South Carolina back all the way to Oklahoma and also portions of Kansas, Texas, Louisiana, Florida. And also we got some snow and rain shower mixture over Wyoming and Colorado, and also portions of Utah and over toward Idaho as well. As we continue to go forward, this is 8 p.m. Tuesday. See, we got one batch of precipitation coming over the Carolinas, another batch over Texas and Oklahoma and Arkansas. Still got rain and snow showers over portions of Colorado and also back over into Utah and Kansas and Nebraska as well, and also Wyoming area. Here comes that next system coming for the Carolinas, southeastern United States. This is at 8 p.m. On the 26th. That'll be Wednesday, next Wednesday. Still clobbered in rain across the southeastern United States. Got some scattered activity back up from portion of Ohio back into portion of New York State. Also, we got that rain and snow still over portion of Colorado, and also maybe a little bit over in the Kansas. We got some rain showers also in Oklahoma back into Texas. Rain and thunderstorms over the Florida area. And got some shower and snow shower activity over southern Canada as well. And as we go to the 27th, that system X stays right. It's a 995 millibar low pressure system located off the mid-Atlantic region. Still got another system here bringing some shower activity over Florida. Finally, the southeast portion of the southeast finally gets to dry out. Still got scattered activity over New York, southern Canada as well. Let's see, as we continue to go out to April, next Friday, like I said, that system that brought all the rain to the Carolinas continues to lift out to the northeast. Have to watch this system here to see if it becomes any tropical feature. Since it's all the way down to a 987 millibar. So I will keep an eye on that to see if that becomes any kind of tropical characteristic. But anyway, we still got rain showers over southern Florida by next Friday, and also back into portion of western Tennessee. Still got rain and snow mixture over the northern portion of the United States. Okay, now let's go ahead and take a look at our weather radar view here. As you can see, there's that snow and rain over portion of South Dakota, North Dakota, and also back into Minnesota, and also Wisconsin. Got some down toward Iowa. Also over here in Colorado, and all the way back up to Utah and southern Canada. Got some mixed precipitation and rain showers from Washington State, also back into Oregon, also into Nevada and Utah as well. Line of shower and thunderstorm activity extending from portions of southern Canada through the Ohio River Valley, Tennessee River Valley to the Gulf Coast region, and down into the Gulf of Mexico. Any of these shower and thunderstorms can become severe. You'll see that in the Storm Prediction Center outlook in just a minute. Alright, we got along the Hawaiian Chain Island, got some scattered activity there. Also, we got some scattered activity, snow showers over Alaska. And around the Guam area, we still got some scattered activity as well. Quiet conditions along the East Coast. Quiet conditions over portions of the South and Southwestern United States as well. Alright, let's take a look at the watches, warnings, and advisories across the local area. As you can see, we got some quiet conditions over the Northeast. Still got some special weather statement for some fire weather issue problems there as well. Quiet across along the southeastern United States. Got a little bit of a special marine warning down in Louisiana. Got some freeze warnings and frost and freeze watches in effect for portions of Kansas, also into Missouri, Illinois, also Iowa, also into Kansas and Nebraska as well for freeze warnings there as well. Got some hydro issues over northeastern Wisconsin. Also some flood warnings in effect for northern Wisconsin as well. Also, we have some winter weather advisories and some flood warnings over portions of Minnesota and North Dakota and South Dakota. Wind advisories over South Dakota as well, with some fire weather issues there as well over portions of South Dakota and portions of southeast Missouri and, northwest Missouri and southern Minnesota. Red flag warnings over Colorado Colorado and New Mexico. Some fog advisories there over southern Arizona. Also some more winter weather advisories over portions of, like I said, Colorado, Utah, Idaho, Montana as well. And got a few little flood advisories over Montana as well. Got some winter weather advisory over Alaska, and the Hawaiian Chain Island looks good. Okay, now let's move on to the Storm Prediction Center. This is a storm from portions of New York down to the Carolinas and Florida, back into portions of Texas. We have a marginal risk down here and a slight risk over southern Texas, marginal risk over Louisiana and Mississippi, and also portion of the Ohio Valley, portion of northeast Kentucky, all the way in through Ohio, portion of Pennsylvania and upstate New York around the Great Lakes region. Also general thunderstorm from Wyoming all the way back into portion of Montana. And the slight risk area, this includes Brownville, Texas, Harlingen, Texas, Mission, Texas, Ferry, Texas, and Edinburgh, Texas. Marginal risk, this includes Columbus, Ohio, Cleveland, Ohio, Buffalo, New York, Lexington, Fayetteville, Kentucky, and Baton Rouge, Louisiana. Let's take a look at tornado probability. 2% in the green, that's over Louisiana, Mississippi. This includes Jackson, Mississippi, Monroe, Louisiana, and Alexandria, Louisiana, Vicksburg, Mississippi, and Clinton, Mississippi. The wind, we have 5% over southern Texas, over Louisiana, Mississippi, and also from Kentucky back into New York. This includes Columbus, Ohio, Cleveland, Ohio, Buffalo, New York, Lexington, Fayette, Kentucky, and Baton Rouge, Louisiana. Let's take a look at the hail probability. We have a 5% and a 15% down here in southern Texas, 5% over Louisiana, Texas, and southeast Arkansas. And the severe weather would be Brownsville, Texas, Harlingen, Texas, Mission, Texas, Florida, Texas, and Edinburgh, Texas. Also, the 15% includes Brownville, Texas, Harlingen, Texas, Mission, Texas, Ferry, Texas, and Edinburgh, Texas. And the 5%, this includes Baton Rouge, Louisiana, Jackson, Mississippi, Bossier City, Louisiana, Monroe, Louisiana, and Hattiesburg, Mississippi. Okay, let's move on to day number 2. This is Saturday's outlook. We got general thunderstorm from New York all the way to Florida, marginal risk from Florida all the way through the Carolinas, back up into portions of Pennsylvania and the Washington, D.C. area. Slight risk in the yellow. That's almost the same vicinity through the eastern Carolinas. Marginal risk over here in central and southwest Texas with general thunderstorms there as well. The slight risk, this includes Baltimore, Maryland, Washington, D.C., Virginia Beach, Virginia, Raleigh, North Carolina, Norfolk, Virginia. Marginal risk, this includes Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, Jacksonville, Florida, Greensboro, North Carolina, Orlando, Florida, and Winston-Salem, North Carolina. Sorry about that, folks. Alright, the tornado probability for today. For Saturday, excuse me. Over a portion of North Carolina, Virginia, and portion of Washington, D.C. area. This includes Washington, D.C., Virginia Beach, Virginia, Raleigh, North Carolina, Norfolk, Virginia, Chesapeake Bay, Virginia. Alright, the wind probability, we have 5% in the brown, 15% in the yellow. That's for the East Coast. Also over here in southern Texas. This includes the 15% include Virginia Beach, Virginia, Raleigh, North Carolina, Norfolk, Virginia, Chesapeake, Virginia, and also Durham, North Carolina. The 5% include Jacksonville, Florida, Baltimore, Maryland, Washington, D.C., Greensboro, North Carolina, and Orlando, Florida. That's for the high winds. And let's see the hail probability. We still have 5% in the brown, 15% in the yellow, and 5% over here in Texas. And that's 15% include Virginia Beach, Virginia, Raleigh, North Carolina, Norfolk, Virginia, Chesapeake, Virginia, Durham, North Carolina. 5%, this is Jacksonville, Florida, Baltimore, Maryland, Washington, D.C., Greensboro, North Carolina, and Orlando, Florida. And let's take a look at day 3, because we got a little bit of severe weather. Should be over southern Texas. We want to go ahead and get you guys included as well in this package. We have general thunderstorms over portions of Oregon and Washington State, Idaho, and portion of western Montana, also over Texas as well. The marginal risk includes San Antonio, Texas, Corpus Christi, Texas, Laredo, Texas, Brownville, Texas, and Harlingen, Texas. And the probability is 5% in the brown, and this includes the same area, San Antonio, Texas, to Harlingen, Texas, and surrounding areas. Alrighty. Well, this has been a long video. Hope everybody enjoyed it. Continue to stay safe and well. Consider subscribing. Love to have you. Like these videos, share these videos, and we will catch you back in the next one.